Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and my eye has been watering for like 5 minutes straight, so if it looks crazy and red and watery, we're just going to ignore it for the video. I just got done filming this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. That is a super long name. Anyway, I saw a few people doing this tag. One of my good friends that I was friends with for like years when we were younger in school did this tag. Her name's Taylor Martin. I'll link her channel down below. She did this tag. Jessica Braun has done this tag. A few people have done this tag, and I thought it was interesting, so I thought I would throw it up on my channel too. So this is called the perfect subscriber tag, or am I a good subscriber tag, or that tag. I know you know what I'm talking about. So it has 13 questions, and I thought this would be a really fun video to do. I want you guys to leave your answers down below or send me a link to your video of doing it. So let's just jump right in and get into the question. Don't hate me for this. I really actually don't like Pepsi, but we ordered wings and pizza earlier and they had this in Mountain Dew, and I can't do Mountain Dew, so I can just feel the sugar. It's so much sugar. Okay, number 1. Do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel or video, or try a few videos first? It depends. If it's somebody I know, like when Taylor started uploading again, she had this channel like way back in middle school, and then she stopped for a while, and then she started back up. When she first made her channel, I of course immediately subscribed. If it's like somebody I know in real life, I normally subscribe right off the bat, but most of the time I watch a few videos, and I'll even go to your channel and I'll go through all your videos. And if I notice your content is something that I'm really interested in, like decor or beauty videos or fashion videos or something like that, then I normally subscribe. So it depends. Number 2, does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe? Actually, a lot of the times it does, because I watch YouTube on my TV a lot and not really ever on my phone. So it's not like right there on my TV screen to click subscribe. So most of the time, if it's somebody that I'm watching a lot of their videos and I'm not already subscribed to them saying it and reminding me really, gets me to go over to their channel and actually hit subscribe. Number 3, how many channels do you have the notification bell turned on for? I have none of them have the notification bell turned on, because most of the people that I watch a lot have an upload schedule, and I know when they upload already, so I don't have to have the notification bell on. For example, the Taylor is like my favorite YouTuber ever, and she uploads Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific time, so I just know when I can go to her channel and see new content. And like Taylor, for instance, she uploads every day in the afternoon. Like, I know most of my favorite YouTubers, I know when they upload, so I don't have them turned on for anybody, because I'm terrible. Do you watch every video from your subscription feed, or only your favorites? I definitely do not watch every video that's in my feed. I started this channel new, but I have an old YouTube channel that I used to upload to, and I had like over 50 subscriptions on there. So especially on there, I wouldn't go through and watch every single video that popped up, especially not now, because there are some people on this channel that I'm subscribed to that I only like they'll have like a series going, like a Fashion Friday or like a Foundation Friday, and those are the only videos I want to watch. So I subscribe so I don't miss that video, but I kind of skip until they get to the video I want to watch. How many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? I don't really have a channel where like as soon as they upload I watch it. But the Taylor, like I said, she uploads Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I watch every video she puts out, so I always check on those days. If it's not like right when she uploads, it's a few hours later, but I do watch every video she puts out. But that's really the only one. What kind of comments are on you? I don't really comment often, but when I do, I try to always be positive. I just try to say stuff that I would want to hear on my videos. I'm never mean or negative or anything like that. I've really struggled with being a hurtful and mean person in the past. So I'm trying to really better myself. So I don't always comment because, like I said, I normally watch on my TV and it's ridiculous trying to comment on there. But if your video has something that I really, really want to comment on, I will pull it up on my phone and comment on it. But overall, I don't really comment that much. But when I do, I try to be positive and nice. Do you skip ads or watch? If I'm like actually sitting down in my living room trying to watch a video, and it's like a 5-second ad and then you can skip the last minute of it, I'll obviously watch 5 seconds and then skip. But a lot of the times when I have it playing on my TV, I'm playing with my daughter or feeding my daughter or cooking dinner or working on my monogram plaques or something like that, and I just don't pay attention. So a lot of the times I do watch the ads, but I don't ever really pay attention to them. Do you speed up videos? No. Do people do that? I don't know if it's because I just don't care or something, but pretty much I never speed through videos. Sometimes I will, like, I'll find myself getting on my phone if you're rambling a lot, and I'm just like, and I'll wait for you to get to what you're trying to say. I don't know. I'm really bad about rambling too, so I never speed through them, but I'll kind of gaze and daze off. Sometimes that's terrible. Do you click affiliate links or use affiliate codes? Yeah. I think everybody does. If it's somebody that, I don't know, if it's somebody that I still watch but I don't fully agree with what they're doing or something like that, and they come up with a product or they have a link for something or a coupon code or something like that, I will use their code. There's not really a lot of YouTubers that I don't like what they're doing or the direction they're going. There's really just a handful. But no, I don't really see a problem with using a coupon code or something like that. It gets you cash off, and it gives them, it's not like it pays them $200 every time you use their code. It's not anything like that. It's just a little bit of money in their pocket. Why not support other people? What is your preference when it comes to video length, your sweet spot? It depends on what kind of video it is. If it's something like home decor or like remodeling, because I've been watching a ton of remodeling videos here lately because we're remodeling, I will straight watch like an 1.5 hour long video just trying to see what they're doing and figure out what they're using and how and where I can get it and all that. But like beauty videos, I kind of lose interest after like 20 minutes. Laura Lee here lately has been uploading long videos, like 25, 30-minute long, and I'll kind of get bored with it and back out of it, which sounds terrible, but for like beauty videos and stuff, I normally stick to about 10 or 15 minutes. I try not to make my videos crazy long. Nobody wants to sit through a 45-minute long video of you rambling to yourself in your bedroom. So I try not to, but like 10, 15 minutes. Do you thumbs up most videos? Not really. If I'm on my TV, no, not really, because it's kind of difficult to navigate. But if I'm watching on my phone or like my laptop while I'm editing and like it's taking a while to load, I'll open YouTube up and watch something. If I'm somewhere where it's like right there where I can see it, because I'm kind of absent-minded, I will most of the time thumbs up videos, especially if it's something I really, really like or they have a goal they want to get to that they mentioned in the video. I'll definitely give them a thumbs up, but not like religiously. Do you ever thumbs down a video? I have watched YouTube probably since like 2008, and I think YouTube came out in 2006. So I've watched YouTube for a very long time. I created my first channel a very, very long time ago, like I want to say like 11 or 12 years ago. So I've been on YouTube a very long time, and I don't think I've ever thumbs down a video, ever. That just seems unnecessarily shitty to do to somebody. Do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? I have an Instagram for my YouTube channel, but I have a personal Instagram and a personal Facebook and Snapchat. I don't ever really share anything on there related to YouTube just because that's my private life. I don't want it all broadcasted on the internet just yet. I'm sure soon, I don't know. I was soon, eventually you guys will find, if you do some digging, it's not like I have a fake name on my YouTube. If you do some digging, you can find my personal social media, but I try to keep my YouTube life and my very personal life separated. I have a young daughter. I don't want her getting all out on the internet and creepers getting a hold of her, anything crazy like that. So I don't really share anything on there. But YouTube, or Instagram, pretty much if you subscribe or whatever, follow me on Instagram, I almost always follow you right back. And like if we collab together, Curly Girl Life, I've done a collab with her before. I mentioned her on my Instagram, but not like really crazy. So I don't know. When you're stopped up, does everyone run out of breath super fast when they're talking? Because I feel like I'm over here like I've just done a sprint or something, and all I've done is sit on my chair and talk. I'm really struggling today. But, okay, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. There are only 13 questions, so if you want to do a response to this, please upload it to your channel and tag me in it or comment your link down below, and I would be more than happy to go and watch it and support your channel. This is a really fun tag that's going around, and I'm happy that I've seen some of my friends on YouTube doing it and getting to know a little bit more about them. This is a really fun way to get to know other people and kind of what subscribers look for and what they don't look for and what they like and don't like. So I enjoyed this tag. I'm happy I did it, and if you enjoyed it, you should give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment with what you want to see in my next video. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.